I'm here with ExpertVillage at Jean Paris. My name is Gloria, and I'm here to help my client choose a wig. She's never wore one before, so I'm going to take her through the process of putting it on.
Bye, Carol. See you in a week or two.
We turn it from inside.
Gloria.
We always put it on from the front to the back. The back has a tag, and we're going to adjust it to fit her head. So what we do is we put the little hooks into the socket, and if we want to make it larger, we move it, or larger out, move it smaller, move it to the center. There's a little tab on either side. If you want to put your thumbs there and feel that.
It's like metal.
It's like metal, and you put that on either side, and it goes right on your temple.
Okay.
Okay? So we'll just show you how to put it on. Just take it, let your forehead catch, pull it down. And you feel those little side tabs right there? Okay. So does that feel comfortable?
It does, yes.
That's okay. Okay.
This is the color.
Get the brush and kind of brush it around just a little.